Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Apple Maps and confirming location access so the app can use GPS accurately. Tap the search bar and type a street address, landmark, or business name. Use coordinates if needed. Once results appear, swipe the place card up to see details like hours and contact. Make sure to tap directions to begin routing. If you have multiple addresses, save one as a favorite by scrolling down on the place card and tapping Add to Favorites. Once you select directions, choose your travel mode: driving, walking, transit, or cycling depending on need. You'll see route options with ETA and traffic overlays. Compare them and tap an alternate route to switch. Make sure to review step-by-step directions on the map and enable sound for voice guidance so you can keep eyes on the road. If you need stops, tap Add Stop to insert waypoints. Once the plan looks right, press Go to begin active navigation. When you arrive, end navigation by tapping End or swiping up on the route card to cancel. This clears active guidance. If map seems inaccurate, make sure location services are on in settings, toggle them off and on, and restart the app to recalibrate GPS. For wrong addresses or missing businesses, open the place card, scroll to report an issue, and submit corrections so the map improves. If turn-by-turn is silent, check volume and Siri/navigation voice, settings in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.